Hello friends. Welcome to my channel HVAC-R Engineers. Be professionals. Welcome friends, this is an interesting topic. I am show here how to easily understand and remember the pipe sizes.
Some of the HVAC technicians, engineers, layman workers, confuse about the pipe sizes, which size is bigger, and which size is smaller, especially in IP unit pipe sizes. So, here I will explain simple steps to understand and remember the pipe sizes.
Here I going to show some examples to understand the pipe sizes. I explain it on both IP unit and metric units. From there you can easily understand the pipe sizes. I draw here a sample circle, take it as an 1-inch pipe, which is equivalent to metric unit, 25.4 millimeters. So, this circle in is IP unit.
Now, I divide this circle into 8 sections. 2, 4, 6, and 8. The first section starts from 1 by 8. Because the whole sections are 8, so first part is 1 by 8. Remember, this 1 by 8 is equal to 3.2 millimeters in metric units. Next one is 2 by 8, which is equals to 1 by 4, so far it called quarter inches. Then, next is 3 by 8, next 4 by 8, which is equals to half an inch. Next is 5 by 8, followed by 6 by 8, which is equals to 3 by 4, called 3/4 inches. Next 7 by 8, finally, 8 by 8, which is equals to 1 inch. So, based on the divided sections, we understand about each individual sections shows different pipe sizes. These all are the basic pipe sizes in IP units: 1/8, 1/4, 3/8, half, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, and 1 inch. You can easily remember these steps. Start from 1 by 8. If you add in 1 by 8 to every individual sections, you will get the next pipe sizes range. As same steps, I'm going to show here in metric units. First step, divide this circle into 8 sections. 2, 4, 6, and 8. The first section starts from 3.2 millimeters. As I mentioned earlier, 1 by 8 inches equals to 3.2 millimeters. Next one is 6.4 millimeters, then next is 9.6 millimeters, next 12.8 millimeters, and next 16 millimeters, followed by 19.2 millimeters. Next 22.4 millimeters, finally 25.4 millimeters, which is equals to 1 inch. Start from 3.2 millimeters. If you add 3.2 millimeters to every individual sections, you will get the next pipe sizes range. So, based on this, the divided sections, we understand about each individual sections shows different pipe sizes. These all are the basic pipe sizes in metric units: 3.2 millimeters, 6.35 millimeters, 9.5 millimeters, 12.7 millimeters, 15.9 millimeters, 19 millimeters, 22 millimeters, and 25 millimeters. Some of the fractional numbers shows here may slightly different. I hope you can easily understand and remember these steps. For more understanding, now, I show here one more example for 2-inch pipe. Same as, I divide this circle into 8 sections. 2, 4, 6, and 8. First we already got 1-inch pipe sizes. So that, the first section starts from 1 by 8. Next one is 2 by 8, which is equals to 1 by 4, so far it called 1/4 inches. Then, next is 3 by 8, next 4 by 8, which is equals to 1/2 an inch. Next is 5 by 8, followed by 6 by 8, which is equals to 3 by 4, called 3/4 inches. Next is 7 by 8, finally 8 by 8, which is equals to 2 inch. So, based on the divided sections, we understand about each individual sections shows different pipe sizes. These all are the basic Pipe sizes in IP units: 1 1/8, 1 1/4, 1 3/8, 1/2, 1 5/8, 1 3/4, 1 7/8, and 2 inches. As same steps, I am going to show here 50 mm pipe in metric units. Again, divide this circle into 8 sections: 2, 4, 6, and 8. The first section starts from 25.4 mm plus 3.2 mm, which equals to 28.6 mm. Because we known that 25 mm pipe size already. For the next size, add 3.2 mm. Next one is 31.8 mm, then, next is 34.9 mm, next 38.2 mm, and next 41 m. Followed by 44.6 mm. Next 47.8 mm, finally, 50.8 mm, which is equals to 2 inches. Start from 28.6 mm, if you add 3.2 mm to every individual sections, you will get the next pipe sizes range. So, based on this, the divided sections, we understand about each individual sections shows different pipe sizes. These all are the basic pipe sizes in metric units: 28.6 mm, 31.8 mm, 34.9 mm, 38.1 mm, 41.3 mm, 44.4 mm, 47.6 mm, and 50.8 mm. Some of the fractional numbers shows here may slightly different. I hope you can easily understand and remember this. Refer to the below pipe conversion chart. It shows the standard pipe sizes and the equivalent IP in metric units. Thank you all. Please like and comment the videos. Share my channel with your friends. Subscribe my channel for more updated videos. Thank you. See you next video.